life skills, we have three very special guests for you today. Number one, you know this person. This person is the homework hero. He's the superhero we all know and love here at Fox Creek. Please welcome the ever-strong, the ever-faithful, and always responsible homework hero. Mr. Homework Hero, I have three questions for you. Number one, tell us how being responsible has made you the great superhero that you are today.
Being a homework hero, you must be responsible all times. You must take care of all of your stuff. Okay? It makes me better. It makes me better when I achieve and take care of all of my stuff I'm supposed to do. Some of you guys take it for granted. Do your homework. It is easy. Get it done. Get her done. Okay, anyways. All right. Okay? Take care of your homework. And it'll take care of you.
Number two, when you are standing on the roof of the building, what ways do you see kids being responsible at Fox Creek?
When I'm up on the roof, I want to make sure I'm responsible and take care of myself up there so I don't fall. I see kids in recess. I see them being responsible, picking up the extra equipment before they line up. I see them grabbing their sweatshirts or t-shirts before lining up. I see them lining up quick as possible. Because if they're not, I don't understand. I don't get it. Be responsible, pick up after yourself, get all your clothes, no one's supposed to be, take care of you, grab your stuff. So you do it at recess. And it makes me happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Homework Hero. Let's give the Homework Hero a round of applause. Our second guest today, backed by popular demand. You never know when she's going to show up because she's always ready to catch kids doing what is expected. It's the Spy. Mrs. Spy, what is the most important way kids can show that they are ready at Fox Creek Elementary School? She has written, have your materials ready. Sit quietly, be ready to learn, and participate in the lesson. Good advice. Second question. In order to be truly ready for school each day, what should every child come with, especially this time of year? Wear warm clothes, bring your backpack, and don't forget your homework. question for you. In order to be ready at the end of the day, what should every child have with them? Be sure to take home your homework folder and your homework. Do it and bring it back the next day. Great advice. Thank you, Spy. We are a school filled with fantastic kids that follow the 3 R's, but there are some students that are having a tough time being respectful. Are you respectful? We have a very special guest here today that is looking for those students that are respectful. Please welcome, for the first time, Captain R. Instead of speaking, Captain R, what are some ways that students could show you that they are a respectful student?
Well, Hardy's first thing on my ship is respect. I didn't get to be captain of the high seas without running a respectful boat. Now, when I tell my crew, swab the deck, they say, aye, aye, Captain, and I say, thank you. That shows respect. When I tell them, polish my booty, I had to stop saying booty because they laugh. When I say polish me treasure, they say, aye, aye, Captain, and I say, thank you, and they do it with a smile.
Do people on your ship need to be respectful to one another? What do you think would happen to Fox Creek students who didn't treat their partner or group member with respect?
On my ship, if you're not respectful, you walk the plank. I was losing a lot of crew members that way. So, we learned real quick. I be respectful to you. You be respectful to me, and we can stay on the ship. Now, if a Fox Creek student is not respectful, should they walk the plank? No, we don't have a plank. So you just need to be respectful. Say your pleases and your thank yous, and we'll get along just fine.
Captain R, why are you holding a gold coin?
Are you talking about me, booty?
I guess I am.
I have given one of these special gold coins to each of you teachers. They are going to be for respectful mates. If you show that you are respectful, your teacher will give you your gold coin and you get a free trip to the Foxtrot store. This is our out of the blue activity for this month. Are you respectful?
Let's welcome Captain R to Fox Creek. We have some great student artwork.